Welcome to the garage conversion.
It's Friday. Me and Connor back on this job. We're going to board out today. I'm off on holiday about 12 o'clock, so Connor's going to carry on his own if we don't get done. We're just enjoying our tea and toast before we get going. So you can see us both here. We've put on our masks, the FFP3, to stop too much dust getting in our lungs. This exterior wall is being boarded with a insulated board. That's why we use a circular saw to cut it. Seems to be the neatest and easiest way to cut it. We have sort of a sacrificial blade on it, but never really cuts decent wood.
I always get ignored, I don't exist. I'm sick. It's alright, I'm fine, I'm just passing the time. I need you in my life, when I'm with you I can't move, it feels like I'm losing my mind.
So as I said a bit earlier in the video that I was heading off about 12 o'clock to go on holiday. I went up to Bridlington for the weekend with the lads sea fishing. It's great to see Connor working alone, putting the skills to use that he's learnt over the years and doing a great job. He's really thorough.
I'm lost and I'm found, yeah. I feel like October. I just need some peace of mind. I don't need to be sober for us to be lovers. I don't wanna love anybody like that. I just wanna feel your body like that and say the things that gon' feel like, yeah. In paradise, yeah, I kinda like it. In paradise, yeah, when can I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you say my name? Yeah, yeah, yeah. In paradise, yeah, I kinda like it. In paradise, yeah, when can I see your face? Feel the same way, why don't you come on?
Monday morning.
It is Monday morning. Welcome to the garage conversion.
That was like on that film, but my name is Jeff. So we're going to stick a piece of board around here to about there, roughly where the window's going to drop back to, so we can get corner beads on, and then we can get this room skimmed out. That's it.
My name is Jeff.
Can't say that. So we've just finished prepping up this room, scrimmed it up, put the beads on. Oh wow, that's really hard to do. Ah, there we go. Put the beads on.
What are you doing?
Brain wasn't brainy. Me and Connor have just been talking. We're going to change the way we do our videos. So we're not doing like each project. We're going to do like a Monday to Friday weekly sort of thing. I think that might work out better. Sometimes the projects are, you know, like this job. We're going to finish plastering here, and then it's a couple of weeks away before the kitchen gets fitted. So it's going to be a long time to be. It just gets messy. So I think Monday to Friday is a lot easier for us, which means we can bring you guys better content.
Right now, I've put PVA in the water.
I'm not even going to entertain a response to that.
Just blow it with your face.
I know it's on tonight, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the road and make it up as we go. Let's go. Oh baby, don't change your mind. Let's get in trouble. I want nothing but you, and is all we need. We've been busy sleeping, we could live our dream in daylight. It's right, just go with the feeling. Take my hand, we'll ruin our plans. We'll leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight.
So this is the first flatten off. So you put the first coat on, then have a flatten off. The aim here is not to get it perfect, but just to even the first coat out so there's an equal thickness to the spread across the wall. I hope that makes sense.
Let's get away, seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Lights will expose the night. We're getting closer. Blonde waves crashing on me.
That's the first coat on and flattened off. About ready for a second coat. Got my head in the game. Right, mix that up, mate. You might have to drop a touch of water in it. It wants to be like RBG.
No, you don't.
How wet is it?
About the same as last time.
No. Runny. Really runny.
Explain to the viewers what RBG is.
No one needs to know about RBG. What is RBG? We've just applied the second coat. We're just having a flatten off. It's probably been 10-15 minutes since. You can see it's not completely flat yet. That's it when it's gone on. But you're not looking for perfect finish yet. Just get it nearly flat. That's what people do. They rush too much to get it perfect straight away. And it's no good. You have to give it plenty of time to go off. The more it's got off, the flatter you can get it. But if it goes off too far, then you can't get it flat at all. See the wet bits? You leave more ridges in the wet stuff. Connor's not going to mix up. We have some brownies and tea for dinner. We crowd this up ready. Just need a dry trowel now and it's for brownie eggies.
I know it's on tonight, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the road and make it up as we go. Oh, let's go. Oh, baby, don't change your mind. Let's get in trouble. I want nothing but you. No holding back. Don't need a bag, baby. We'll leave everything. You and me.
So unfortunately, we missed the finishing of the walls. Videoing on my phone, it died. But we have invested in a new camera, so hopefully the audio and the video will become a bit better on the next few videos we do. Well, not just the next few, obviously going forward in depth.
Feeling kinda reckless when you're here. When
brownies or do you want biscuits?
Very nice.
Thank you.
Eat them both. Shane can't have any.
I will say a bit late for that, they're gone.
you know the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our
They would concrete the floor and get some SBR on the floor. Take the cables up out of the way. There we go. But just painting some SBR on the floor. This will help bond the two layers of concrete together. We don't need to use any DP6, you can see some here. So we know that the garage base been laid on top of like a poly. Just see it there lipping up the edge as well. We won't have to contend with any rising damp issues. Got the bangers and mashing for me dinner.
baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get.
So we're using reduces shrinkage, cracking, surface dusting and water ingress.
Now it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway.
This probably gone off now. It's tacky.
How wet would you like?
Oh, wet, please.
Really wet?
Well, not really wet, but wet. Splattered the door. Hey, you've splattered the door from all the way over there. How? How do you do this?
I'm messy.
I know this. That's so messy. That's perfect. Tumbly tumble.
You won't believe how far concrete can splatter out of the front of the mixer.
Yeah, lovely, mate.
We always have a good wash down at the end of the day, but that's ridiculous. But it's almost 4 metres away, the mixer.
Gotta do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times.
Yeah, it wasn't 9 times, it was more like 25. We did run out of sand and cement.
About there. So now we've got going. Put a strip of concrete round the edge. Make sure it's level. Like that. There we go. Round there, round there, round there, round there. It should meet back up where we started, nice and level through there. And then we're filling, sort of working this way. Working our way out, last one there, and straight out.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be.
Not everyone wants to sit looking at my face.
It's a funny face.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you.
We'll just offer this on the soffit's sticking down a little bit. Then we need to move the soffit. We need to cut the soffit and then push it up so it fits.
Yeah, what he said.
What I said.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night.
Me and Connor have just finished knocking in the beads on the glass, just putting the door handle on, and then I can plaster up to this.
I hope you've enjoyed part 2 of this video. Part 3 will follow up in around a week's time. I'll see you on the next one.